Hello guys, Rhino Seaman here, bringing you a Minecraft Let's Play video. I just did recording in this episode 2 of my modded series. Oh, you stay in there. But so we could just go to the bedroom. But like, I didn't record sound in my last video because I forgot. Let's go pick pumpkins. Oh, passed it. So, they might not have bread. I'm not sure. Let's try it again. Wait, is that one sterile? Yeah. Okay, he ate it. He's sterile, so can't breed him. Or wait, I don't know. They might have. I think they may have already bred. So yeah, that's that. I think we're gonna just see what's in this cave. Nothing. Imagine that. Let's go down here. Let's light this up so you guys can see. It's copper. Oh, new baby. I'm gonna call it GG for now, but in the comments, I want you guys to pick out a name. So, yeah. I hope you guys can do that. Whoa. Oh, wow. I've never seen that much iron, like, in one spot ever before. Don't need that stuff. It's like cobblestone. I should eat. Oh. Now it's dead. Is this just going back up? Wow. Yep, more iron. Which is what we need. Coal. Oh well. Keep inventories on. Let's go smelt the iron we got. And then go check out our new horse. Oh, gold. Forgot I got that. Let's put these away. Yeah, so let's go check out our new horse. I ride horses and show them in real life, so yeah, it's always nice. And by the way, credit to Average YT for this texture pack. He deserves credit because it's a nice pack. But yeah, go check out It's Average. Same one. Aw. Oh well. I think that